Welcome to the behind the scenes video of the South Coast ride, and in this video I'll be covering up the preparation with the gears and stuff for this ride. So for the first point I have the helmet. So for the helmet I use the studs. So it has an inner black visor which is useful for the highway riding, and for the camera I use a Gopro Hero Plus LCD. I can attach the camera to the helmet with a GoPro adapter and use it as a helmet cam for the motovlogs. In the second point I have the riding gear. So the riding jacket is made by Luggage Chennai. So I used this jacket as a riding jacket and used blue jeans as a riding pants. And for the bike, in the third point, I have a Royal Enfield Thunderbird 350cc, and it is good for highway rides. It gives really good mileage on highway runs, not very much in the cities, but it's a really good bike for touring and even some off-roading for some extent. On the fourth point I have the luggage, and I borrowed the luggage from a friend. It's a brand called BTS, and it really fits snug on the tail of the motorcycle as a tail bag, and it just fits all your needs basically. It's not like the pannier bags or anything like that, but it works in some ways. So that's it for the preparation video for behind the scenes of South Coast Ride. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.